Hi, it's Miss Chalone and I'm here for another recorder tutorial. We are going to be learning a song called Kwaheri, which is from Kenya. And it goes like this. All right, so you can tell it has an ABA form where the first part happens again at the ending. So let's start with the first part. It starts with low E, E, A, E, E, A, E. Make sure on top, you should be your left hand, the one on this side. It's different because of the video. So it should be this hand on top, okay? So E, A, E, and then E, G, D, E, A, E, E, G, D. Okay, 1, 2, here we go. Again, we go. One more time, we go. And then G, G, E, G, A, A. Again, G, G, E, G, A, A. Let's do the second part. 1, 2, here we go. One more time. Ready, here we go. So let's put it together with the first part. 1, 2, here we go. Again, we go. Okay, that's the first part. Kwaheri, Kwaheri, mpenzi, Kwaheri, 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 mpenzi, Kwaheri. So the second part is A, B, G, A, E. Again, A, B, G, A, E. Let's try that. Third part. 1, 2, here we go. Again, we go. Again, we go. All right, then it goes G, E, G, A, just like the first part did at the second part. All right, so A, B, G, A, E, and then G, E, G, A. So let's do the second part starting on that A. 1, 2, here we go. Again, we go. And that happens twice. So let's do it twice in a row. 1, 2, here we go. And then we go back to the first part. Do you remember it? Starts with E. 1, 2, here we go. Okay, so this time I'm going to go ahead and sing it and you're going to play it. 1, 2, here we go. E, A, E, E, G, D. G, G, E, G, A, E, A, E, E, G, D, G, G, E, G, A. Second part. A, B, G, A, E, G, E, G, A, B, G, A, E, G, E, G, A. First part. E, A, E, E, G, D. G, G, E, G, A, E, A, E, E, G, D, G, G, E, G, A. Let's try it together. 1, 2, here we go. And there you have it. That's Kwaheri. Hope you enjoyed it. Happy practicing.